Build a neighborhood mail audience in under 2 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. Nate from Post Now here, and we're going to show you how to build an audience as fast as possible. So let's start. We'll select build an audience from the dashboard. And today we're building a neighborhood mail audience. So this is a 2-minute demo. We'll select neighborhood mail. Enter the size of the audience, and in this case I'm targeting about 3,000 people. What's nice is even if you don't know how many people you're going to actually target, we'll do the hard work for you and find the right audience for you. So I've selected the build audience and this little pop-up is opened. I can show the instructions quickly here. In this case I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to choose a 3-kilometer radius. And it's already picked up a location here. I'd like to move this, and so I'm going to select the hand icon and drag this circle to a particular area in the city that I want to target. So in this case, I want to target over here. Let's make it just a touch bigger there. I'm going to scroll down, add a couple demographics. You can add up to 3 options. And in this case, I'm going to go with average age and average income. And so I'm looking for everybody with a income over $100,000 and a little bit of an older population here. This is a 2-minute demo. We're doing good. I'm going to add this audience and these notes, and there's some sample pricing of how much this campaign is going to cost, including my design, print, mail prep, and postage rates. And if I'm done, I'm going to select Save Audience. That's it. Our team at Post Now will take care of all of the hard work of identifying the right neighborhoods in the area you've selected to help you meet your campaign goals and targets. Thanks for watching. We're Post Now, making direct mail easy.